flip.
I'm here with Team Betfair on our Vegas experience. Our chopper is about to take off. We're heading to the Grand Canyon. Just landed here at the Grand Canyon with some of the guys from Team Betfair. It is amazing. You just cannot even believe the scale of it. It is huge, but we heard a rumble of thunder in the background. So the helicopter journey home could be fun.